Instacart Pay depends heavily on batch size and shopping time inside the store, while Shipt Pay is usually tied to delivery orders that can include both shopping and curbside pickup, depending on the retailer. By the end, you'll know how each platform actually pays, what affects your real hourly earnings, and which one tends to pay better, depending on how you work and where you live. Start with how the pay structure works. Instacart pays per batch. A batch can include multiple grocery items from one or more stores, plus a delivery fee and customer tip. The biggest time factor is shopping, not driving. Shipt also uses a per-order system. Orders can involve shopping in stores like Target, or delivering pre-packed orders depending on the store setup in your area. Tips often make up a large part of total earnings on both apps. Now compare how the work feels in real time. Instacart usually requires more in-store time. You pick items, scan them, handle substitutions, and wait in checkout lines before you even start the delivery. Shipt can vary more by store and region. Some orders are straightforward pickups, while others involve full shopping similar to Instacart. Now look at consistency. Instacart tends to have more frequent batch availability in many areas because of its large grocery network. That means more opportunities to stay active during peak shopping hours and weekends. Shipt can feel more selective depending on the market. Some drivers see fewer but more planned orders, especially when working with specific retail partners. Now the key difference in earnings potential. Instacart earnings depend heavily on how fast you can shop and complete multiple batches in a day. Shipt earnings depend more on order quality, timing, and tips from individual customers. That means speed and efficiency matter more on Instacart, while timing and order selection matter more on Shipt. Here's what most new shoppers miss. The platform that pays more changes based on your skill and your local demand. Fast shoppers often do better on Instacart because they can complete more batches. Shipt can feel better in areas where individual orders tend to be higher quality. Now the takeaway. Instacart is usually more fast-paced with higher batch volume potential. Shipt is more variable, but can reward strong timing and selective order acceptance. The better option depends on whether you want speed-based earnings or more selective grocery orders. Next step is simple. Try both apps during weekend peak grocery hours in your area, and compare how many completed orders you can realistically finish in a 3 to 4 hour block. If you want more clear breakdowns of gig apps and delivery platforms, subscribe for simple comparisons that help you pick the right earnings setup.